We have already studied about theoretical probability. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on theoretical probability and we will do the problems with die. So first question, a die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a prime number? So we know that when a die is thrown, what are the possible outcomes? Either we will get the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So total outcomes is 6. Total outcome is 6 and we need to find out probability of getting a prime number. So from this, which are the prime numbers? So probability of getting a prime number means we need to find out prime number from this. So probability of getting prime number 2, 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. So these are the prime numbers. One is neither prime nor composite. So the number of favorable outcomes is 3 and total number of outcome is 6. So probability of getting a prime number is 3 by 6 or 1 by 2. Now second question, a die is thrown once. What is the probability that it shows an odd number, a number greater than 4? Again, when a die is thrown, total number of outcomes, we have the outcomes as numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So total number of outcome is 6 and probability that it shows the odd number. So probability of getting an odd number, from this we need to pick out the odd number. So which are the odd numbers? 1, 3 and 5 are the odd numbers. So favorable outcome is 3. Total number of outcome is 6. So 3 by 6 which is again 1 by 2. Again probability a number greater than 4. Number greater than 4 means two numbers are there, 5 and 6. So favorable outcome is 2. Total number of outcome is 6. So 2 by 6 which is equal to 1 by 3. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting an even prime number and a multiple of 3? Again, when a die is thrown, total number of outcome is 6 and the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So probability of getting an even prime number. So prime number, you know, number which is having only two factors, that is 1 and that number itself. So prime numbers from this is 2, 3, 5. One is neither prime nor composite. Now even prime number means only 2 is there. These are odd prime numbers. So total number of favorable outcome is 1 and total number of outcome is 6. So it is 1 by 6. Again probability of getting a multiple of 3. So from this, which are the multiple of 3? We know 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So it is 2 by 6. So favorable outcomes are 3 and 6. Total number of favorable outcome is 2 and total number of outcome is 6. So it is 2 by 6. Now two different dice are rolled together. Find the probability of getting sum of numbers on two dice to be 5. Even numbers on both dice, a doublet. So when two dice are rolled together, what are the possible outcome? First die can show the number 1. Second die also can show the number 1. First die can show the number 1. Second die can show the number 2. Again first die can show the number 1. Second die can show the number 3. So these are the possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes is 36. So when two dice are rolled, we are getting 36 possible outcomes. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, etc. Now what is the probability of getting sum of numbers on two dice to be 5? Sum of numbers on two dice to be 5. So 1 and 4, this is one possible outcome. Again 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. So which are the possible outcomes? Sum of numbers on 2 dice to be 5. Total 36 outcomes are there. Out of that, our favorable outcomes are 4 because 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, again 3 plus 2 is 5 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Even numbers on both dice. So even numbers on both dice it should be even number. So this is one possible 2, 2. So one possible outcome is 2, 2. Again 2, 4. This is the second possible outcome. Again 2, 6. This is the third possible outcome because both the numbers are even. Again this full set we need not see because 3 is there. Again 4, 2, 4, 4 and 4, 6. Again this full set we need not see because 5 is odd. So 6, 2, 6, 4 and 6, 6. So total number of possible outcome is 6 divided by 36. Even numbers on both dice, favorable outcome is 6 and total number of outcome is 36. So 6 by 6. 6 by 36. Next is a doublet. Doublet means same number should be there on both dice. We can say 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Again 6 favorable outcomes are there and total number of outcome is 36. So 6 by 36. Doublet means the same number will be appear on both dice. 2 dice are thrown at the same time. Find the probability that sum of 2 numbers appearing on the top of the die is more than 9. So the sum should be more than 9. One possible case is this: 6 plus 6 is 12, 6 plus 5 is 11, more than 9. So 6 plus 4 is 10, again 5 plus 5 is 10, 5 plus 6 is 11, 4 plus 6 is 10. It should be more than 9. I think no more cases there. So we can count the favorable outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and total number of outcome is 36. Favorable number of favorable outcome is 6. So 6 by 36. When you throw 2 dice at the same time, total number of outcome is 36 and here the favorable outcome, that is the outcome for the event, top of the number appearing on the top of the die is more than 9. So we have 6 outcomes. So answer is 6 by 36. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time and 5 will come up at least one? Throwing a die twice means throwing 2 dice simultaneously. Both are treated as same experiment. Throwing a die twice and throwing 2 dice simultaneously are treated as same experiment. So the possible outcomes we can write as same: 1, 1, 1, 2. So these are the possible outcomes. 36 total outcome is 36 and favorable outcomes we will now. 5 will not come up either time. So 5 will not come up means here 5 is not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here full set I cannot take because 5 is there. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So total number of outcome is 36. Favorable outcome is 25 by 36. 5 will come at least once. So 5 will come at least once means all this we can write. These possibilities we can take. So 6, these 6 case, again 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total number of outcome is 36 and 11 favorable cases are there. So 11 by 36. Thank you for watching my video.